Brainy is joining us. She is our Good Housekeeping team leader. Good to have you back, my friend.
Nice to see you.
She's a busy wife and mother of 3 littles.
Yes.
You have 3 littles at home, and you have a big serving tray here with a little tray inside.
Yes, this is our new appetizer and dessert platter, and it is our beloved Relia-Pan, which I know so many of you at home love. But this is so great because this goes into the oven.
Right.
The bowl goes into the oven. You saw this spin dip I just pulled out, hot and bubbling and delicious.
But if I may,
yes,
let me show you that this is removable.
It is.
This is not part of the tray. I mean, it's part of the purchase, but it's not affixed to the tray. So if you need to move it to any portion or side, you can.
Right.
If you want to cook it separately,
you can.
You can. This comes in 3 gorgeous colors. And does memory serve me there are some recipes as well?
5 recipes. Yep.
5 recipes in the use and care guide.
Yep.
And the use and care guide, be careful not to throw this away.
Yes, this is one of the recipes that comes with it.
I'm going to be right back to that.
Okay.
All right, let me hit colors real quickly, and then we'll come back and we'll have Marissa start feeding us. All right, this is the chili. We have the agate, and the agate is a fancy word for blue.
It is.
And then we have forest. Some might call that eagle screen. I don't know. Just me. Might be just me. All right, go birds. And then here is that use and care guide. So remember, there are 5 recipes inside. Now, well, you answered my question. I was going to say, can you use this as a pizza pan?
You sure can, because you know what? The depth of this is great for a little deep dish pizza like this. So it's about 1.5 inches of depth that you're getting.
And your little pepperonis all form little cups.
Yeah.
They're holding their juice inside the cup. That's flavor.
They are, yes. And I mean, you could even roast a chicken in this. That's why we love this and wanted to create this, because everyone loves the non-stick of the Relia-Pan, but this is a different way to use it. So from baking right in it here with the deep dish pizza to really getting creative with how you serve in it, there are so many different ways to use it.
I mean, use this as a wing platter,
yes,
as a charcuterie.
Yep.
Now, last week we had Corky's wings, and the fellow from Corky's said, why don't you have a corkuterie?
Oh my gosh, I love that.
What's a corkuterie? He said, it's a charcuterie board full of Corky's products. I said, I love it.
Very clever.
I told the buyers about it, and they were like, we love it. We're going to investigate it. All right.
Okay.
Fantastic. Now, these are little pigs in a blanket?
Little pigs in a blanket with a mustard sauce in the middle.
May I try?
Absolutely, please do. And again, you can bake right in this. So you can bake your pigs in a blanket, then pop them out of the oven, add your mustard sauce, and there you go.
That's not just mustard sauce, that's Dijon.
Uh-huh, you got it.
That's delightful.
Good, I'm so glad to hear it. I love that.
What have you here?
I want to show you this because this is, again, a baking vessel. So here, we did a little pull apart cinnamon bun platter.
Oh, yum.
Very fun. Maybe you're doing a Valentine's breakfast, but look
at the inside.
This is what happens when you cook with our Relia-Pan, is that you can wipe out all this gooiness, and you know that this is not going to be hours of dish duty. I can use one rag and kind of recycle the edges here and get this totally clean. This is 5 layers of our Relia-Pan nonstick coating, carbon steel construction. So you're getting that durability, but you know that this is going to be such a breeze to clean up.
Can this go in the dishwasher?
It sure can, yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, it's important to know the dimensions. Let me talk to you about dimensions. Now, the platter is 14.7 inches in diameter.
Right.
That's big.
It is. It's a nice size.
It's 1.6 inches deep. Now, the bowl is 5.6 inches in diameter.
Right.
1.8 inches deep.
Yeah.
A little deeper than the platter.
Exactly. And so just to give you an idea, the wings, for example, this is 5 dozen wings that we did in this. And you move the bowl and the vegetables out of there, you can bake the wings right in here, pull them out of the oven, add in your little garnishes and your sauce, and you're ready to go. So it's a really nice, versatile piece.
You know what this sauce could be? A jarred salad dressing.
Sure. Why not?
Quick and easy. There's no shame in your game.
Absolutely.
I love how you roll. This is fantastic. You can just fill this full of either bottled ranch dressing, bottled blue cheese,
whatever
you
like.
Put buffalo sauce in there, whatever.
And we did a breakfast board. How fun is this?
So fun.
Say you wanted to bake up some chicken or you're baking waffles. Again, bake it right on the pan, then bring it out and use it as a platter. Again, the depth of it is really nice because it holds everything in place.
I mean, there are going to be so many occasions when you're entertaining.
Yeah.
From now through the end of the year.
Absolutely.
And you're going to need a platter, whether you're baking a pizza, that looks delightful, or you're doing a different kind of charcuterie board, Or a spinach dip.
Yep, exactly.
Pigs in a blanket. I don't care how fancy the wedding is. The first hors d'oeuvre that always goes is pigs in a blanket. Always.
So true. So
always.
true.
I don't care how fancy they make them. They are always the first hors d'oeuvre.
You mentioned the charcuterie. I agree with you, by the way. Absolutely. We did a sweet charcuterie for Valentine's Day too. Over by Rachel. Just another idea for you with some of the delightful things we had in the show today.
Look, with cookies and Lindt chocolates.
And the David's desserts.
And conversation hearts.
Isn't that great?
What does this one say? This one says totes. I love you, totes.
I love you, totes.
Totes. I love you, totes, too. Hey, we are super, super excited to have Good Housekeeping back on In the Kitchen with David. And remember, we have this in chili, in agate, and in forest. It is so good to see you, Marissa.
Go Birds.
Go Birds, and have a happy afternoon.
Thank you, you too.
Nice to see you.
You too.
All right, now, is it time for Rastelli? Okay, pink Himalayan salt and top sirloin, I'm in. This